Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here. It is a Dinosaur Nightlight music box. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So it has light and music, and this is what it looks like and how it comes box. So, and then you'll have all the little insides right here, which we will be putting this together later with my sons. Okay, so this is everything that comes in here. You have your user manual right here, which will tell you how to use it right there. So you're pretty much going to super glue everything on. Use first super glue the bigger items, and then you'll go through and super glue the rest on, and then you'll add the dome once you're done, and then it has the light and everything, and then you add your batteries down there. But let's go ahead and see what my kids think about it, and let's see them put it together.